Hello everyone, dear students and viewers. In this video, we discuss the econometrics. Very basic concepts we discuss in this video. The term econometrics in the 1940s, the term econometrics was a neologism. Neologism means a new word. The econometrics, the word is divided into two parts or two words which is derived from the Greek words oikonomia and metron. Oikonomia means administration or economics. Metron means measure. So which is taken from the Chet 1949. So when we take the English word and we search in the English dictionary the word of econometrics, which explores the meaning of econometrics is economic measurement. Although measurement may not appear explicitly as a function of econometrics. So means econometrics is the economic measurement. It does not appear explicitly as a function of econometrics. So this is the first slide to the term of econometrics. So in this video we would touch upon on basic econometrics, that is the what is econometric definition, econometric relationships and models, and what are the aims of the econometrics we discuss in this video. So this is the term of econometrics, which from two Greek words oikonomia, metron. So ultimately the meaning of the econometrics is economic measurement. So what is the background of the econometrics? The Polish economist in 1910, namely Paul Simpia, Pavel Simpia. Pavel Siampa is a Polish economist. In 1910, the term econometric first used by him. Next, John Timberger. He was the father of econometrics. John Timberger. He was the father of econometrics. So I am not mentioned his name, but I forget. There's a very important John Timberger. He was the father of econometrics. Ragnar Frisch. He was Nobel laureate. He is credited for coining the term and establishing econometrics as a subject. And he, in the modern sense, based on the term biometrics. So this is the background of the term of econometrics. 1910, the Polish economist, namely Paul Siampa, is used the econometric first time by him, and John Timberger, he was the father of econometrics, and Ragnar Frisch is a Nobel laureate. He is credited for coining the term and establishing econometrics as a subject, and also in the modern sense based on the term biometrics. So this is the background and history of the econometrics. Now I move to another slide. Econometrics is a mixture of economic theory, economic statistics, mathematical statistics, and mathematical economics. So in the Venn diagram, I want to show this. So how it is come from the word of econometrics, economics, mathematics, statistics. These are all are three components is called as econometrics. With the mixing of the three, economics, mathematics, statistics, compiling of the three subjects, we have get the econometrics. So when we have to see the in this Venn diagram, economics and mathematics is the combination of mathematical economics. Sorry, there is a mathematical, actual mathematical statistics is not mathematical economics. Mathematical economics. Okay, this is the combination of economics and mathematics is called as mathematical economics, not mathematical statistics, mathematical economics. Okay, next when we coming into the economics and statistics, these two mixture of the economic statistic we get the economic statistics. Okay, when we coming into the another statistics and mathematics, we have get the mathematical statistics, and with the combination of three economics, mathematical statistics, economic statistics is called as econometrics. This area is the combination of economics, mathematics, statistics. This area we call as, or we got it the subject of econometrics. With the application of economic theory and statistics, mathematics, we got the econometrics. Next, we are coming into the econometrics. So, what is the econometrics? Econometrics deals with the measurement of economic relationships. Means economic relationships, we have the numerical values for the parameters of economic relationships, that is a demographic, like example demographical features of allocation, census. So it is an integration of economics, mathematical economics and statistics with an objective to provide numerical values to the parameters of economic relationships. The relationship of economic theories are usually expressed in mathematical forms and combined with empirical economics. So means production function and quantity theory of money, law of demand. Examples means this second first paragraph, it is the measurement of economic relationships, and the in the second paragraph we have to see that numerical values comes values to the parameters of economic relationships means economics. Okay, that is why, that is means integration of economics. When we see the second paragraph, the relationship of economic theories are usually expressed in mathematical forms. It is statistics, okay, that is empirical economics. And when we get see the relationship of economic theories, compulsory we have the mathematical forms and combined with empirical economics. Econometric methods, the econometric methods are used to obtain the values of parameters which are essentially the coefficients of the mathematical form of economic relationships. The statistical methods which help in explaining the economic phenomenon are adapted as econometric methods. Means how to econometrics is used to how we obtain the values of parameters and which are a coefficient of mathematical form of economic relationships. And means law of demand, a quantity theory of money, production functions. So we have to get the mathematical formation with the help of the econometrics. When we take the statistical method which help to explain the economic phenomena. The statistical methods also used while we explaining the economic phenomena only with the help of econometric methods. So the relationship of econometrics, random behavior of economic relationships which are generally not considered in economics and mathematical formulations. Example, the methods can be used to areas like not only in social sciences, we have to use the econometrics in engineering sciences, biological, medical sciences, geosciences, agricultural sciences. In simple words, whenever there is a need of finding the stochastic relationship in mathematical format, means that stochastic means it is not predict precisely. Economic methods and tools help, and the tools of econometrics are very helpful in explaining the relationship among variables. Example, we have take the cost function, quadratic functions, cubic functions, and we have to take any functions, demand function, supply function, and we have to take any functions in the economic theory compulsory. We have to with the help of the econometric methods, we should explain with efficiently how the relationships are among the variables with the econometric tools. So what are the aims of econometrics? The three main aims econometrics as follows: formulation and specification of econometric models. The economic models are formulated in an empirically testable form. Several econometric models can be derived from an economic model. Such models differ due to different choice of function form, specification of the stochastic structure of the variables, etc. The very main aim of econometrics is how to formulate, how to specify the variables, different choice of function form, specification are very stochastic structure of the variables, etc. It's a very important in the econometrics. That is a very main aim of the econometrics, formulation and specification of the. We have to know the uh, whenever we form the economic model, compulsory we should know the how to formulate, how to specify the econometric models for the particular relationships of economic. Next aim is estimation and testing of models. The models are estimated on the basis of observed set of data and are tested for their suitability. This is the part of statistical inference of the modeling. Various estimation procedures are used to know the numerical values of the unknown parameters of the model. Based on various formulations of statistical models, a suitable and appropriate model is selected. Okay, estimation testing of the models. Okay, how on what basis observe the set of data are to be tested, what is the suitability. So these are all are compulsory, we have to know before the formulation of the econometric models. With an appropriate model is selected for formulating the econometric. Use of models. The obtained models are used for forecasting and policy formulation, which is an essential part in any policy decision. Okay, this is the third aim of econometrics is use of models. How we use the models. Okay, what purpose we can use? Used for forecasting of demand and policy formulations. so which are very helpful to policy decision in the part of the policy decision. Such forecasts help the policymakers to judge the goodness of the fitted model and take necessary measures in order to readjust the relevant economic variables. So in the government, when the government, they form the any policies, with and forecast, compulsory they have to take the economic models, and after that, in order to they readjust the relevant economic variables and to judge the goodness of fitted models and take the necessary measures to develop the policies in the economy. So these are all are the aims: formulation, specification, and testing, and the use of models. These are all are the aims of econometrics. Is a very it is shows the how, as a economician, as a economist, as a student of econometrics, how we have to formulate the models, and with the help of these are the aims we have to understand, we have understand the, so how the econometric models will work in our uh, formulating of econometric models and analyzing the economic theory with econometric models. So this is the basic information I have provided to the learners, and upcoming videos we will discuss the basic econometrics, that is the what are the functions, what are relationships, mathematical, what is mathematical economics, what is the mathematical economic statistics, mathematical statistics, and ultimately we got the econometrics. Okay, these are all are the we will discuss upcoming videos. Thank you all.